Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Carriage. Carriage means horse-drawn vehicle. For example, a horse-drawn carriage. A horse-drawn carriage.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. The new rail cars are more easily accessible than the current train carriages. Now, repeat after me. The new rail cars are more easily accessible than the current train carriages. The second exemplar. The boat trains and beautiful Pullman carriages are now replaced by the Eurostar. Now, repeat after me. The boat trains and beautiful Pullman carriages are now replaced by the Eurostar. The third exemplar. The first 12 train carriages for the high-speed railway arrived at Kaohsiung Harbor yesterday. Now, repeat after me. The first 12 train carriages for the high-speed railway arrived at Kaohsiung Harbor yesterday.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The phrase, "long time no see," is a literal translation of a Chinese phrase. It comes from the Mandarin phrase, "how ju bugn." No go, and no can do, are also similarly borrowed from Chinese.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.